Hey guys, so these are the question of UPSC Civil Service Examination 2022. So I am going to present the 5 question of UPSC Civil Service exam and give you the solution for this question. So the first question is, rapid financing instrument and rapid credit facility are related to the provisions of lending by which one of the following? Option A is Asian Development Bank, option B is International Monetary Fund, option C is United Nations Environment Program Finance Initiative, option D is World Bank. So option B is the right choice for this question, that is International Monetary Fund. The second question, with reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statements. Statement 1 is, an increase in nominal effective exchange rate indicates the appreciation of rupee. Statement 2 is, an increase in the real effective exchange rate indicates an improvement in trade competitiveness. Statement 3 is, an increasing trend in domestic inflation relative to inflation in other countries is likely to cause an increasing divergence between mean and real. So, which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option 3 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So here option C, that is 1 and 3 is the right statement for this question. Next question number 3 is, with reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statements. So if the inflation is too high, RBI is likely to buy government securities. So if the rupee is rapidly depreciating, RBI is likely to sell dollars in the market. If interest rates in the USA or European Union were to fall, that is likely to induce RBI to buy dollars. So which of the following statements given above are correct? So here option B, that is statement 2 and 3 is the right choice for the given question. Question number 4 is related to G20 Common Framework. So for this, consider the following statement. The statement 1 is, it is an initiative endorsed by the G20 together with the Paris Club. Statement 2 is, it is an initiative to support low income countries with unsustainable debt. Which of the statement given above are correct? So here option C, that is both the statement are correct. So option C is the right choice. Last question for today is question number 5, which says, with reference to the Indian economy, what are the advantages of inflation indexed bonds, that is IIBS? First statement is, government can reduce the coupon rates on its borrowing by way of IIBs. IIBs provide protection to the investors from uncertainty regarding inflation. Statement 3 is, the interest received as well as capital gains on IIBs are not taxable. So, which of the statement given above are correct? Option A is 1 and 2 only, option B is 2 and 3 only, option 3 is 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So here option A, that is statement 1 and 2 is correct for this question. So for detailed explanation, please join our Telegram channel. Till then, take care. Thank you.